Let's try again. I hope I don't get something bad. Yes! This is so easy. Wait. So I cannot touch color purple. Wait. Let me do that over. If I touch this video is over. Let me do this. Purple jump! Bro, I suck at this. No, 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 no. Let me... Wait. Let me use one. Bro, I wanna equip gun, but I don't. I have only one gun. How many should I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shot in 1 gun. Alright, let's do this again. Yo! Come on na. Alright, this video. Finally. This I won't mess up for the break is kinda hard. Jump! And by the way, this is my first time. This is my first time I uploaded. In my first time, this is my first time uploading this video so long. Ancient. Remember, Jair, do not touch color purple. Especially this pet. Bruh. The recording is less now. 2 minutes. Only controlling my time. Rank. Sabihin. Rain. Mom. No purple only. Ah. Purple ka. I suck at this. Wait, I forgot to tell you guys, if I die or touch that I cannot touch, the video is over for now, okay? Jump! Bruh. See you guys later, bye.